Welcome back. Inmates of Sada sub-jail have come up with an unique mythological float for Shigmo in the state. They have prepared this float for a participant group from Sada. It is remarkable and appreciating piece of art.
Have a look at this float. It is getting ready for the Shigmo parade in the state. It is prepared by the inmates of Sada sub-jail. These inmates always come up with something new and unique. They are preparing this float for a participant group from Sada.
जेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें की हांगा सडा जेलीन म्हटलें कोण तरी असो आसा की तो म्हटले कलाकार आसा की तो करता आनी आमकां तो म्हटलें दिसलें की आमी अप्रोच करचें म्हणून आमी डायरेक्टली सराक घेवन कॉन्टेक्ट केलो.
आता मुरगांवकारांच्या वतीन तुमी हो करता.
हय.
थीम बीन कितें आसतली हेजी?
थीम म्हटलें थीम आतां हे आमी आतां म्हटलें राम सेतू करून तो लंकाचें जेन्ना सीतेचो अपहरण करता रावण तेन्ना जे लंकान वचपा खातीर तांकां जेन्ना ते मार्ग जे आसता तेन्ना ते समुद्रा कडल्यान मार्ग करून घेतात तो ताचो सीन आसतलो आमचो.
These inmates are motivated and supported by the Assistant Jail Superintendent of Sada Sub-Jail, Bhanudas Pednekar.
आणि आमच्या आयजी प्रेसिडेंटान रोखडे म्हाका परमिशन दिलें तो फ्लोट जेलीन कर तूं म्हणून आणि तो फ्लोट आतां तयार जाल्लो आहा पळय.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
And now news from sports. Sarvodaya Royals defeated NRB Goa Sports Academy Stars in a gripping match in Goa Professional League 3. 131 runs might seem like a small target in 2020 cricket, but NRB GCA bowlers made it tough for Sarvodaya Royals batsmen. Needing 3 runs for the last ball, Rahul Keni hit a boundary in dramatic style. In the other match of the day, GCA Academy Stars comfortably defeated Salgacaor Sports Club by 5 wickets.
NRB Goa Sports Academy won the toss and elected to bat, but Sarvodaya bowlers never let the NRB batsmen break away and score freely. 8th wicket stand between Rohit Chaudhary and Shailesh Miskin brought some respectability to the NRB card. Chasing a modest 131 runs to win, Sarvodaya was stifled by Rohit Chaudhary and Aman Lit, and the fast bowling duo bowled well for NRB GSA. A slow start frustrated the openers and both went one by one. Regan Pinto and Rahul Keni steadied the ship for Sarvodaya for a bit, but poor calling from the two led to Regan Pinto's getting run out. Thereafter, Rahul Keni played the sheet anchor role and some delightful strokes as well. Wickets continued to fall though. Finally needing 9 runs of the last over, there was drama. 3 runs were then needed of the last ball, and Rahul Keni capped off his brilliant half-century with a boundary to end the match. Vivian Castellino and Rohit Chaudhary both bagged 2 wickets for 22 runs for NRB. For Sarvodaya, Harshad Gadekar returned amongst the wickets with figures of 3 for 18. Rahul Keni was awarded the Man of the Match award. In the other match of the day, GCA Academy Stars comfortably defeated Salgacaor Sports Club by 5 wickets. Asghar Pasha was awarded Man of the Match, claiming 4 wickets for 26 runs. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Porvorim.
Goa and Madhya Pradesh opened their campaign in the Sub-Junior National Football Championship with victories. The 10-team tournament for Coca-Cola Mirik Bal Hussain Trophy is being played at Fatauda and Vasco.
On Thursday evening, Paresh Vaingankar netted in the 86th minute to give Goa a 1-0 victory over Orissa in their hard-fought opening match at Fatauda. Goa had been in great form earlier in the West Zone qualifying stage, but now the main event will be a tough challenge. Group A consists of host Goa, Meghalaya, Orissa, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. Group B is made up of Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Assam and Chandigarh. Top two from each group will enter semi-finals.
We had inquired about them and we got their news how they will be playing and all. And based on that, myself, Sabi and Inacio and our manager worked hard with the boys and given them the proper ideas about how the opponents will be playing and all. And based on that, we had fielded the team, giving them the ideas. And we are happy the boys have delivered, and what we had wanted, they have given to us.
In a Group B match on Friday at Tilak Maidan, Madhya Pradesh defeated Tamil Nadu by a solitary goal. Balu Oran scored the all-important goal. Here are some highlights. Our reporter Savio Dias from Fathoda and Surendra Madkekar from Vasco.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.